Hey boys and girls, Mr. D here. Starting off the spring project with a little math activity here that you can do as a kindergartner, first grader, second grader, adult, whatever. It's about taking numbers and grouping them up to show what different combinations you can make to make a certain number. So we're going to start out, slowly, and we're going to continue to build up to a little bit higher numbers. And one of the great things about the video is that you can stop, rewind, pause, to figure out and ask questions. If there's any questions, you can always email me at john.dantonio at truxtonacademy.org for any questions about help, because I know learning at home has been really busy, but everybody is really working hard and doing a great job and trying to get better. And with the spring project, I think we'll do a lot of fun math stuff this week to, get better at numbers and, just make it fun and learn a lot about how numbers work. So let's take a look. So right now, what I have here is I have one. So first things first is you can do math with pretty much anything around your house. So we're going to use manipulatives right here. I'm going to use golf tees today because we have a lot of them at our house. So take a look at what we have here. So I'm going to count them out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one big group of 10. Okay, so you can see that's our number 10 right there. Okay, our big group of number 10. Now that's one group of 10. So we're going to take it and we're going to break it up into different groups. Now I know 5 and 5 make 10, so I'm going to put one group of 5 over here, and then one group of 5 over here. So 5 and 5 make 10. Okay, and I'm going to show that writing this here. We're on our board, 5 plus 5. Now, what else do we know about the number 10? Okay, what else do we know about the number 10? Well, we know that 10 is an even number, okay? 10 is even because you can break it up into two equal groups, just like we did with 5 and 5. So with an even number, let me see if I can put in the groups of 2 and how many groups of 2 will make 10. So I'm going to take my golf. There's 2. There's one group of 2. There's the second group of 2. There's 3 groups of 2. There's 4 groups of 2. And there's 5 groups of 2 right there. Okay, and then you can do this at home with anything, like I said. So if I do it 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups of 2 still make 10. I didn't add any golf tees. I didn't take any away golf tees. We started with the same number 10 that we had at the beginning, but we broke it up into 2 different ways. So 5 and 5 make 10, but I could write this too. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because there's 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2 different ways to make 10 right there. Okay, check that out. Okay, so that's 10. Now, let's bump it up a little bit. Okay, let's bump it up to 20. Okay, so I'm going to get 20 golf tees. I'm going to make one group of 20. So I had, there's 10 right there. I'm going to stay with those 10. I'm going to add 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's 20 right there. And I have my paper right here ready to go. I have 20 written at the top. Okay, so there's 20 golf tees. Well, let's break it up into 2 equal groups. Well, what and what are going to make 20? Okay, let's do that. Okay, what and what are going to make 20? Let's think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 10. So there's one way to make 20. I took my one group of 20, I broke it down into 2 groups. There's 10 plus 10. Okay? 10 plus 10. What if I put them into groups of 5? Okay, because I know 5 and 5 make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 here. Let me break this group of 10 up into 5 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, let's look at how that goes. So take a look at that. Okay, I started out with 20. I broke it up into 2 groups, 10 and 10. Then I made 4 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this 5 and 5 would make 10. This 5 and 5 would make 10 too. So think about it that way. There's pretty cool things you can do with numbers. What if I put them into groups of 4? Let's check that out. Just play around with what number groups you can do. Okay, okay, well, actually, you know what? So I did 5 and 5, I did 2 and 2. Let's go up from 2. What's the next number after 2? The next number after 2 is 3. So let's go with 3. There's a group of 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 3. And there's a group of 3. Okay? But now I have 2 more left over. So 3 doesn't really work. I can make even groups of 3. I can't make it even, okay, or equal. So that is a key word, even or equal. Keep that in mind as we go. So 3, can't put them in groups of 3. So let's go to 4. Okay, I'm going to put that one, that's a group of 4. That one's a group of 4. I'm going to take 1 from here, that's a group of 4 now. There's 2 here, so I'm going to take 2 from here, that's a group of 4. And there's 3 here, and add that one. What? 4 works. How many groups of 4 do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay? There's another way to do it. Okay? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Is there any other numbers? Well, we haven't done 2 yet. We've done 10. We put them in groups of 10. So you can see here, we put them in groups of 10. We put them in groups of 5. We put them in groups of 4. Let's put them in groups of 2. Okay, so split every group of 4 up into 2. 2 and 2 make 4. 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 How many groups of 2 do we have? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look at all those ways we just broke down the number 20. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, bring it down. Now we're going to step it up even another way. Okay, so I got 20 here. I have 20 golf tees right there. For you first and second graders that can do this, I have 20 there. I'm going to add 22 more. How many more am I going to add? What am I going to end up with? So while I'm getting my 22 ready, you think about that. Okay. So I'm going to have 22 more. I'm going to add it to the 20 that I have. Anybody want to take a shot? That's right. 42 is our number now. Okay. So what does a 42 look like for you younger people out there that are watching us here? A 42 looks exactly like this, a 4 and a 2. Okay, now we want to put them into 2 groups. Okay. Let's put 42 into 2 groups. So let's see how we do this. Okay. So we're going to go 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and see what we can make. 1 goes here. 1 goes here. 1 goes here. 1 goes here. Okay. Now I'm going to speed up a little bit. I'm going to count by 2 so we know. 2 here. 2 here. But see how I'm keeping it even. 2 here. 2 here. 2 here. 2 there. 2 here. 2 here. 2 there. 2 here. 2 there. 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 1 and 1. Okay. So let's count how many I have here. I have 21 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There's a group of 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so there's 21 right there. So two groups of, if I broke 42 down into two equal groups, I have 21 plus 21. Okay. Now, so I just showed you another one. Now, I'm going to put them in groups of, let's put them in groups of 7 right now. Let's see how that works out for us, okay? So I'm going to take this. So it's all about just playing with numbers. What do you think will make them equal groups? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I got my 7th one over here that dropped. 7. 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 works. 7 puts them in the equal groups. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be like writing this. I'm just breaking it down. 7, 7, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Equal groups. 6 7s make 42. Okay? Now, I'll tell you, there's a lot of ways you can put the number 42 into even groups. You should try some at home. I'll give you a hint. 2 definitely works. 3 definitely works. 6 will definitely work. Okay? So if you can put them in the groups of 2, 3, and 6, leave how many of each are in the comments. That'd be awesome to show that you're learning this type of thing, but it's fun to do. You just take one big group and then break it down into, okay, 2 equal groups, 3 equal groups, 4 equal groups. And then you can just look at all the counting that we're doing. We're doing some adding. This is a great activity to practice at home with any number. You can do it in the hundreds. You can do it with numbers like 6. You know, you can do it based on any level that you can. So give it a shot at home. Go out and collect something. Come back, count it, put it into different groups, see what you can make. So boys and girls, thanks for watching this math video today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Keep learning and enjoy the spring project.